Here we are again. And a warm welcome to one and all. And if this is your first time here, I'm the very tired, scruffy trader. And what we're doing this morning, because it is early morning, it's about 6:10, is Morning Star, where we're using a very simple strategy to build up a small account. Now, it's ticking along quite well, and the idea is to trade between 6 a.m. and 8 a.m. each morning and get roughly around 10 pips and then compound it. Simple stuff. Let's have a look, see where we're up to. Well, as we can see, we are currently 12% up from the beginning of the month. Now, considering we started this last month with 350, and if you look through the series, you see we've already drawn some money out. This is quite good. We're averaging 9.8 pips, which we need to kind of push up a little bit, because what we're doing with this is FX only. And I'm doing that because some of the guys in the Scruffy squad wanted to try the 5%ers, but using something similar to what I'm doing here in order to build up that account. And it's predominantly Forex. So that's what I'm doing. My chosen pair is cable because it moves. Well, I'm saying cable. It's kind of the pound, shall we say. But predominantly it's cable. Now, I didn't trade yesterday because it was my wedding anniversary and I had a day off. So we're back to it today. Let's have a little look. And in. Now we have moved up to 96p per unit. And once we get it over a pound, we'll be able to split. So that's pretty cool. And let's have a look, see what's going on. Well, pound had a good old royal run up yesterday, as we can see. That was a cracker. Talking of crackers, thank you very much. Timed that well, didn't she? And it's starting to run out of a little bit of steam, but it's still got quite a bit in it. So I'm kind of interested in this area here. And what I'm looking for it to do is roll over a little bit. Why? Because it's screamed up. It's slowing. It can't do this indefinitely. So there's got to be a pressure relief. And that's what I'm looking for. Okay? And I'm just looking for that quick burst. Grab the money. Stop. That's it. Okay? So that's what I'm going to do. So keep an eye on it. I'll be looking to go short. Looks like it might be coming into play now. And hopefully we'll make some money. So I'll see you at the end of this. Okay, boys and girls, hope you're well. This is teetering around. I'm humming and hawing whether or not to just kill this off and be done with it. Two reasons. One, I need the camera for some work for the Scruffy Squad, and I'm also teaching this morning. If you call what I do teaching, because I do maybe one or two one-to-ones each month, and I happen to be doing one today. And when it's like that, I like to have nothing running in the background so it doesn't distract me from what I'm trying to show whoever it is that I'm talking with. Common sense, really. And also, I've got another distraction here.
What's that? I'm not a distraction.
You are.
Why that?
She's off on one. She wants holiday. Why do you want holiday?
You said. It's your idea. You planted the seed.
Should we go to Butlins?
Mm.
No. Well, where do you want to go?
Somewhere hot.
Somewhere hot. Right, okay.
5-star.
All
By
right.
the beach.
Here we go. Right.
With a la carte restaurants. And adults only, because it's only us two.
She doesn't want much, does she?
Well, the kids aren't, little ones aren't coming, so we can do adults.
Yeah, but I've got to take them as well. Well, actually, we're not taking them this one. We're actually going to have a get-together with the Scruffy Squad down in London. And I'm going to try and combine it with my holiday. So, well, her holiday. She said I had to go.
You're idea.
And apparently I'm not allowed to take my laptop with me. Yeah, we'll see about that. And do some work on the beach. So I might do coffee with Scruff in a far-off land. How good is that? But anyway, right. Let's have a look at this. Stop rambling on. Okay, what are you laughing at? Get on with your own job. Have you made any money this morning?
It's going in the right direction.
There you go. All right. Well, you're almost net positive between the two, so that's good. All right. She's learning how to pull stops in, get one risk free, and then let the other one sort of, as the margin comes back into the account, open up a new position in another instrument and then let that one run. So happy days. And as long as you stay net positive, it's good. But let's talk about net positive with this. Okay. There is a hammer coming in. It is pushing down. Let's have a look at this. I'm on a real quandary with it. What we'll do, we'll let the gods decide this, a little bit like what we did yesterday. Pull that stop to there. And we'll trail the stop down with this. Now, we can't lose, and we've made money this morning already. And it was a very simple premise with this one. Now, the morning star is the same always. All right. It's looking at a higher time frame to get a direction and a lower time frame to fine tune an entry and manage, which is what we're doing here. The idea is to get roughly around 10 pips, as I was saying at the start of this, and grow. Now, when you see something like this, this is a whopper of a move, and there must be pressure release. And that looks like what this is. Now, it's easing down, and I'm quite happy with that. But when you see something like this, because it hasn't stalled fully, I'm just relying on a small pressure release, but this could easily squeeze up to this level here sometime today. All right. So I've got to be a bit careful, because if it doesn't go up there, it'll come down to roughly this area firstly, and then it's all the way back down to roughly this area. But the trick is to, well, if I just take out sort of the bulk of that now, there, it's risk free. We've got the money out. What I can do is just ease that down slightly. and then just see if it has any extra money. Because what could happen now is that could come up, clip this stop, take me out, or just let it run down. But either way, we have done what we need to do today. We've done 1270 so far, which is more than our 10 pips, which is exactly what we are looking for. And that's it. So what I'll do I run it? Do I not? I'm going to let it run out. Okay. So I'll not update the sheet just yet. What I'll do is I'll let it run. Is it? Let's have a quick look at this. Okay. Let me just check something a second, guys. Saying that's pretty low. That's pretty low. No, I'm just going to kill it out. There is method in the madness, guys. There we are. It's out. And I'm just going to close this out up here as well. Because as much as I do this for you guys, I also do it as part of the 5%ers. So if you bear with me, I'll quickly show you. That is there. There's the 5%ers, and that's been cashed out as well. And why? Well, I just mirror them across, and it's growing nicely as well. So at the weekend, you might see coffee with Scruff, and I'll show the statement of that. But in the meantime, we're concentrating on Morningstar. So let's have a look where we at. 1347 all in. Let's have a little look here. Find this sheet. Okay. So let's put this all in together so I can see what it is that I'm doing. Oh, it's too early in the morning, guys, and she's doing me head in. Aren't you, stinker? You are.
How?
You always do me head in.
Yeah, right.
You bloody nuts. She is. She's mental. I want. I mean, she's only just had a night away in a hotel and a jolly time. She was away the week before having a jolly time, and now she wants to go abroad. Want something to say for yourself?
You don't want to go?
Huh?
You don't want to go? Is that the problem?
No, I just want you to pay for it. Well, it's not happening, is it? Oh, dear. Okay. So we've done quite well. Both positions increased more than 1%. So I am really pleased with that. We have an overall growth of 16% and we're 14 days in. Although each one of those positions didn't hit the 10 pips each, collectively they did. So when we come back to this, we will be able to break trades. And what that means is I'll start again at 50p. But if the trade goes against me, I've got room to play with it. All right. So that's what I'm doing. It is Good Friday tomorrow. So I won't be trading tomorrow or on Monday because it is Easter Monday. The markets are very quiet. And if I do sort of look at the chart, it'll just kind of be in and out as and when. But I won't be doing Morningstar till Tuesday next week. So at the moment, it's pretty good. We've got 63 profit, which will give me 31 this moment in time. And bearing in mind, last month we drew £40 out. We ahead of the game, and this is compounding as well, because what happens is when you're compounding your trades, I started this month with more balance than I did last month, and I was paid. Now, hopefully, that 31 will be bigger than 40 this month, which means I've had a bit of a pay rise on my bonus, and it'll naturally increase the balance. And then you do it again and again and again. And through time, it just builds up. So, happy days. And that's trading in a nutshell. Just grinding away at it, little by little, and ensuring you are paid. And why do you need to be paid? Because you might be lucky enough to have a winky like what I do that knows how to empty a wallet faster than a speeding bullet. You're laughing and all because you know, don't you?
I don't.
You lie.
I think I'm quite good.
When? When have you ever been quite good?
I don't spend all the time.
Well, you do sleep, I'll give you that. But even then, you've got to... Yeah. Right, boys and girls. That's that for today. So as always, trade well, keep your risk managed, or in my case, hide your wallet. But above all, do what you love, and the money will follow. See you all in the next one.